What's up, everybody? I'm Addy.
What's happening, everyone? I'm Jesse, and we're your social savvy realtors with the Jesse Peters team at RE/MAX One Group. And welcome to our latest social savvy listing, which is awesome!
It really is. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo is something you're not going to want to miss. So go take a peek.
So what do you think so far? Here are the other details you're probably thinking about. In-suite laundry, parking's included, comes with central air, an additional storage unit, and hello, covered patio.
And the location is unbeatable. In the heart of Tuxedo, close to Kingston if you want to get anywhere, close to Seasons of Tuxedo, and this neighborhood is absolutely fantastic.
And speaking of location, 84132 Portsmouth is where you can find this gem. If you want to see more, boom! There's the site, and if you know the drill, say it with me, stay social.